Alright guys, we have some breaking Big Games news. We might be getting a new game from Big Games, and guess what? They actually dropped a good update for once. Oh, and Night Fox? Well, he finally found a talent. So stick around because you do not want to miss this. Alright, so the first breaking news we got today is that Night Fox has found a talent. Just look at this. Because RTC Moments have tweeted, Night Fox is so talented. Because his talent is, I have a weird talent in identifying pets simulator pets. So yeah, I guess that is Night Fox's talent. So congratulations to you, Night Fox, for finally finding your talent. Okay, and now some actual more breaking news, because Big Game has finally made a good update, and it is in Pets Go. I know that saying that is controversial, but I would actually say this new thieving update, it is actually quite nice. Like, I have actually played Pets Go for once. Like, I have not really done that for a really long time, just trust me. So yeah, it's kind of like mining. When the mining update came, you just stand and get things, and yeah, here you're just a thief. So yeah, I would say it's pretty nice, because yeah, I like the mining one as well. So yeah, finally they could actually do something good. But let's just get this rolled on. Actually, we're probably not gonna get anything good, but okay, 7 million, that is actually not that bad. Compared to that, it was just a 5000x roll. So yeah, that's the update in Pets Go. If we just head over to the update log, it says that it's featuring thieving, huge pets, new pets, yada yada yada, lockpicks, yeah, this is a good update. I could recommend. I know it's controversial, but let me know what you think. Is this update a W or L? Let me know in the comments, please. I would really want to know what you guys think about this. And now for the craziest news I think I have ever told on this channel, because there's a pretty high chance that Big Games is working on a new game, which is a trading card game. Just take a look at this, because a few days ago Big Game tweeted this: I swear they've been making a new game every week. What is this? So what this pretty much is, that it is a very basic card, and by them saying they've been making a new game every week, that could be one or two things. One, that today for me, the update that's gonna come in Pet Simulator is gonna be a trading card event update, because yeah, they're pretty much making a not that good game every week with their very bad events. So that's one of the options, and the other option for this is that we are actually getting a new game from Big Games. It has not been that long since we got Pets Go, only like some months, like I don't know, like 4 or 5 months maybe, but it's pretty nice to see them actually making on something new. So if we just take a close look at this image, we can see from front to back, one is the card face, so that's just like the image of the pet, and then we have the base layer mesh, which is just this blue outline around the pet box, and then we have the card edge mesh, which is just this outline on the outline of the pet, and then we have the card back mesh. So I mean, this looks pretty basic, but it also looks pretty alright. And yeah, Night Fox have said here, pet sim trading cards, gotta catch them all. Yeah, we will have to see Engravy Catman. Minor weekend schedule: Friday Pets Go, Saturday Pet Simulator 99, and Sunday Pet TCG. And TCG stands for Trading Card Game. Yeah, and Spiffy, Big Games' merch guy, also says Pet Simulator trading cards. So Spiffy is their merch guy, as I just said. So maybe they are doing some IRL trading cards. That would be absolutely crazy, like Pokemon or something, just with pets. That would definitely be because Preston needs money, and I hope he needs it for something good, because please don't scam kids again. Like, just stop. So that is actually kind of everything we know about this potential card game, but we will have to see today if it's just another event where you can get cards somehow and then trade them? I'm not sure, but for me, in under 2 hours, I will know the answer, and you already know. And if it happens that it's not an event and we get more leaks about this or just some information, I'm gonna make a video about that, trust me. And also recently on the channel I made a poll if I should make videos about Bubblegum Simulator 2 / Bubblegum Simulator Infinity when that releases. And something is definitely wrong is we're not gonna get a trailer on next Friday, so a bit under a week. So I hope we have the game in 2 weeks time, and I have Roblox ready for that already, so look forward to that if it releases. So yeah, I hope you're gonna watch that video when that comes. And alright guys, that's all the big games news for today. Let me know in the comments, is this right here a W or L update in Petco? And also, if you made it this far, comment big hype so I know if you are real. But wait, before you go, check out this video right here. It's even crazier, and trust me, you do not want to miss it. And yeah, I'll just catch you in the next video, and that's not gonna be a month until that.